leader whom you don't believe in, that's it.
As Gen Zs, we've always been hearing people say, you don't get it, you are privileged, you have all the information in the world. For you to say that, no, you guys are very well connected, I'm sure it must have resonated with all of us. So, since we know that you are connecting so much to Gen Zs, I thought we could ask you some questions. We have our own language, we have our own words. So, I'm going to quiz you, but మీకు తెలిసిందంటే మీరు చెప్పండి, లేకపోతే we will teach you some words that we represent.
I'll be as honest as possible. If I don't know something, I'll say I don't know.
Yeah, sure. Starting off, what do you think is sus?
Sus. I don't know, my daughter keeps using sus means, I don't know, is it suspect something? I don't know.
Yes. So when somebody is behaving suspiciously, so you don't just look Gen Z, but you also know Gen Z, so
I'm forced to know them. Yeah, that's
some brownie points for you from us. So what do you think is cooked? Cooked, C-O-O-K-E-D.
Cooked means maybe out of my understanding. I never heard this one, but I'm feeling that I'm done.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
I'm finished. I'm done, man.
So when you try sneaking out and somebody catches you, you're cooked.
Cooked, yeah. I'm cooked, yeah.
What do you think is Delulu? Delulu. D-E-L-U-L-U.
Delulu. Is it something related to delusionary, something like that?
Oh my God. Wow. All right. I'll just make it a little harder for you, sir.
I'm sorry. It's very recently, few days back, I think I heard this word. It's not something I'm aware of. Aware of. So one of my writer was speaking to me. He was saying he was conceiving a scene. He's saying Delulu. I said, what is it? This is what my kids told me. Delulu. Something they're saying.
Yeah,
it's
Delulu is not the Solulu.
Solulu, yeah. Something.
Yeah,
these are the two words they use,
solution.
which I could not. Still, I'm not able to comprehend, but I try to understand.
What do you think is touch grass, sir?
Touch.
Touch grass.
I'm sorry. I don't know.
Touch grass is something we believe a lot of politicians hope to come and do with us. Touch grass is basically when you go back outside and reconnect. So, let's say if somebody is speaking about a topic and there's no relevance to it. So we say, you need to go touch grass. What you're talking doesn't make sense.
Oh, that's called touch grass?
Yeah, that's called touch grass.
I hope I don't touch grass, I think.
Yeah, the way you're doing a town hall, you are definitely touching grass with us, sir. Okay, last one, saving it for the best. Main character energy.
Main characterology.
Main character energy.
Main character energy. I have no idea.
I mean, it's sad that you don't know because you keep excluding, you keep giving out that energy. Main character energy is somebody who, once they enter the room, that's it, all eyes on them.
Oh.
So don't you think he has the aura, the W, the main character energy? All right, sir. Thank you so much. I think you got 4 out of 5. We are very happy. No, 3 out of 5. So we're very happy that you know how we speak as well.
So I can tell at home that I've been passed.
So,
I have passed the exam, Gen Z exam.
Yes, Gen Z exam.
Thank you. With 70%, I can say. Okay.
6, 7. It doesn't apply in this context, but yeah. Thank you, sir. We'll move to the next question.
హాయ్ సార్.
Who's asking? Yeah.
సార్
Sure.
నా పేరు జగదీష్. నేను వైజాగ్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. సో నేను ఎప్పుడు తిరుమల వెళ్ళలేదు, అలాగే వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామిని ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదు. ఆయన్ని టీవీలోనే చూశాను అండ్ అట్ ఏ టైం మిమ్మల్ని టీవీలోనే చూశాను. ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ. ఈరోజు డైరెక్ట్గా మిమ్మల్ని ఎలా చూస్తానని నా లైఫ్లో నేను ఎప్పుడు అనుకోలేదు. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. సార్ నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న జెన్జీఆర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ చాలామంది ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్ అండ్ క్రియేటర్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, వాళ్ళు మంచిగా కాంటెంట్ క్రియేట్ మంచిగా చేస్తున్నారు. సో మీరు ఈ రోజుల్లో ఇన్ కేస్ మీరు ఒక ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్ అయ్యి లేదంటే ఒక కాంటెంట్ క్రియేటర్ అయితే మీరు ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కాంటెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు?
If I'm a content creator, నేను ఎలాంటి కంటెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తానా?
ఎస్ సార్.
నేను పెద్ద మారను. నాకు ఐ ఫీల్ మేబీ 2 థింగ్ అంటే 2 ఇష్టమైన నాకు. ఒకటి ఎనీ నేషనల్ పర్స్పెక్టివ్, పేట్రియాటిజం ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. 2 టు కన్జర్వేషన్, నేచర్ కన్జర్వేషన్, ఈ రెండింటి మీద చేస్తాను అనుకుంటాను.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. అందుకే సార్ మీరు అంటే అందరికీ ఇష్టం. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
I think, sir, you would be vlogging. You would be going around trying to save a species and vlogging with it.
Vlogging.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, I'm deeply shaken to brought my inner thoughts to speak from you, sir. Sir, I'm voice of more than 10,000 AP students, sir.
Mira?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Sir, from 2023, we are not getting scholarship, sir. I'm BTech second year student, sir. I'm studying in here, Telangana MSET student. Till 2023, AP and Telangana has been, agreement has been there, sir. After 23, the agreement has been collapsed. Sir, I want to ask you, sir, we want scholarship, sir.
Can you make it very specific? And
Sir, I'm BTech second year student.
you're receiving scholarship from the government, right?
MSET scholarship we get, sir.
Okay.
The people who are studying, I'm AP, sir. The people in AP who study in AP,
Okay,
they
good.
get the scholarship. Who went
People-
out of state,
okay,
they
people
don't
from
get.
Andhra Pradesh, if they come and
Other
study in
state-
Telangana, they are not getting the scholarships.
Yes, sir. 2023 వరకు ఉండే సార్, మన గవర్నమెంట్ వచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి
అంటే
లేదు సార్.
అది అంటే నాకు ఐ మీన్ టు మై నాలెడ్జ్ ఐ థింక్ దట్ ప్యాక్ట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ ఓన్లీ 10 years ఐ థింక్.
ఎస్ సార్.
అంటే 2023-24
లోని
14 to 24 ఉంటుంది. 24
sir.
నుంచి స్టేట్ ఇండివిజువల్ స్టేట్స్ అయిపోవటంలో ఉండదు. అదే ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ గ్రేట్ నాలెడ్జ్ అబౌట్ ఇట్, బట్ ఐ హోప్ఫుల్లీ ఐ థింక్ దిస్ కుడ్ బి ద రీజన్, బట్ ఐల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్. I'll take it.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.